What's good, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy D Guilt coming at you guys today with another review. Now this review is on one of my favorite pieces, and it's Nike and Paul George and PlayStation. Now many of you guys don't know, I've always been a PlayStation fan, so this collab was super dope for me. Nike and PlayStation. I really want the Air Forces, just not ready to spend that money on them. But this is super dope. But before we get into the review, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and check out all my other videos. I'll be doing a ton of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech and just reviews on stuff you guys don't see often. But now, that being said, let's get into a review. With this hoodie, I went with an XL. I wish I would have got a double XL. This kind of shrank and fits more like a large in my opinion. So I would definitely say go up a size. I'm 6'3", 220 pounds for sizing reference. The arms are just a little short on me, and even like the waist, it's just a little higher than I like personally. Now the materials aren't anything crazy, just a cotton hoodie. What's really cool is just the PlayStation and just more of the print. I really like the center swoosh, little Travis effect, super dope. Also this little emblem right here with the little PlayStation. I'll get you guys detailed pictures of everything. And then obviously the PlayStation on the sleeves, super dope. And also the same color as the little emblem down here. You have pink right with your lace locks. Super dope. One thing I wish they would have done with this hoodie is put like a PlayStation emblem on the back. I think that would look super cool, but it already is PlayStationed out with the sleeves. And then you have, of course, the PlayStation emblem. This is definitely one of my favorite hoodies. I'm just looking for a size XXL. I just wish this fit me a little better, but there's really not much I don't like about this hoodie other than pretty much the size. I definitely think this was a dope collab between them, and it retailed at 70 bucks, which is super cheap for something like this, like a PlayStation and Nike collab. That's super dope. I think the price point was great. Definitely worth it in my opinion. You got the center swoosh, which is super dope. The cotton, I guess the material wasn't the best because this will shrink and then obviously it will fade a little bit. But if you wash it right, then you'll be able to get it where it lasts for a while. This isn't really a hoodie I would say you'd wear every day. So this is just a hoodie I guess you put in the closet and just throw it in kind of the rotation. This is definitely a super, super dope hoodie. And I love it. It's actually one of my favorite pieces. And it's just a normal Nike and PlayStation. There's no Nike Lab, which you guys can tell by the tag. Just a normal Nike hoodie. One thing that was super dope that they added was the color right next to all the buttons. So I think that was super dope. I really do love this hoodie, and I definitely would recommend it to you guys. At 70 bucks, this was a super steal. And honestly now, because this is an older release, it's not that expensive. I thought it would be a higher price, especially with the prices of the Air Forces. This isn't too bad. I think they're around 150. 140. For a collab like this, I think that's definitely worth it in my opinion. I mean, they have the center swoosh, and anything center swoosh is super expensive. And then the fact that it's center swoosh with PlayStation, you have this little emblem right here, which is super cool. It's kind of reflective. And then you got little buttons. You got the X, you know, triangle and square. So that's super dope. So I would definitely recommend it to you guys again. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll be doing a lot of content on Nike Lab and Nike Tech and just giving you guys reviews on Nike collabs. And I'm out.